The Andheri Railway Court on Friday granted actor Kamal Khan temporary cash bail of 25,000 rupees in a firing case. He was arrested by the Oshiwara police last week. Khan is currently lodged in Arthur Road Jail and is expected to be released on Saturday. Khan's lawyer, Sana Rais Khan, told the court that his arrest was illegal and against the law. She said that a mandatory notice under Section 35(3) of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 was never given to him before the arrest. She also said that Khan was not informed about the exact reasons for his arrest, either verbally or in writing. The lawyer added that there is no ballistic or forensic report to prove that the bullet allegedly recovered is linked to Khan's licensed gun. She pointed out that his licensed firearm has already been seized, so there is no risk of misuse. The lawyer further argued that no motive has been shown against Khan. There is no claim that he aimed the gun at the building or the complainant. She said the accusation was based on the statement of a hearsay witness whose name was not even mentioned in the remand report. The witness only claimed to have heard a firing sound from Khan's building, which, according to the lawyer, makes the allegation false and baseless. Khan's lawyer also said that he has a valid license for the firearm, which has an effective range of around 20 meters. However, the distance between the complainant's balcony and Khan's residence is more than 1,500 meters, making the alleged firing physically impossible. She strongly argued that the claim about missing cartridges from the gun does not amount to a crime. Under Section 30 of the Arms Act, this only attracts a fine. She said the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita does not treat it as a criminal offense. At most, it could be an administrative issue for the licensing authority, not a criminal one. She also added that possessing 22 cartridges is not illegal, as arms rules allow a licensed gun holder to purchase up to 200 cartridges in a year. Meanwhile, the Oshiwara police are still waiting for the ballistic report in the case. The Versova police have also sent a proposal to the Mumbai Police Commissioner's office to cancel KRK's weapon license.